Hello, everyone. Today let's introduce ML-6K mini centrifuge for you. This machine adopts special motor, strong power, ultra quiet, stable operation. The centrifuge has a compact structure and a wide range of applications. Equipped with two types of centrifugal rotors. The first one mounted on top is the 3IN1. Large radius 18 well or 8-well rotor. Compatible with 2 ml, 1.5 ml, 0.5 ml and 0.2 ml tubes. Unique rotor snap design. Easy rotor replacement without tools. First pinch our clips, then push up on our rotor, and it comes off. Then push our rotor for 0.2 ml 8-row centrifuge tubes straight down against the tabs. The installation is complete. For 0.5 and 0.2 ml centrifugal, we put the white 0.5 ml adapter into the corresponding large wells. Each set comes with 6 adapters. Then we put our samples into the device. Close the door. The machine runs when the power is turned on at the rear side. When centrifuging samples of 0.2 ml volume, we place the black adapter into the corresponding large hole. Then put the sample into the adapter and close the door lid. Press the power button. The device goes into operation.